Hello, welcome to RD Factory. Aluminum formwork profile will cast as required. After that, aluminum formwork profile moved to welding workshop. See, RD workers are welding aluminum formwork now. More news about RD Factory, please contact us and follow us. Thank you.